Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make italic text in Photoshop. So get ready started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see, now going to the toolbar option. I can see, then select from text tool option. Then click. Now we're going to the text size. Now select from text size. Now click. Now type a text. Now resize the text. Now you can see, then select from text. Now keyboard press from Ctrl T and we go select from text. Now click from italic. That it's. Then we show. Now close the format. That it's. Now you can see. Then we show the make italic text is very easily in the Photoshop. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.